AI video generation just changed forever. While most creators are still struggling with 3-second clips, there's a new tool that's letting people create full cinematic videos, and some are already making thousands of dollars with it. But here's the thing, 95% of people using Seedance have no idea how to actually monetize it. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exact 5 methods I'm using right now to turn Seedance 2.0 into a real income stream. From the beginner-friendly approaches that anyone can start today to the advanced strategies that are generating serious revenue. And if you stick around to the end, I'll reveal the one method that has the highest profit margin but almost nobody is talking about. Quick thing, if you're interested in AI tools and making money online, hit that subscribe button. It helps the algorithm show this to more people who need it. First, let me quickly explain what makes Seedance 2.0 different. Unlike other AI video tools that give you 3 to 5 second clips, Seedance can generate up to 10-second cinematic sequences with incredible consistency and quality. The motion is smooth, the characters stay consistent, and the cinematic quality is honestly insane. This isn't just another AI toy, this is a legitimate production tool. Now, let's get into how you actually make money with it. Method number 1 is creating AI movies and short films. And before you think that sounds complicated, it's not. Here's why this works. Channels posting AI-generated short films are exploding right now. We're talking videos getting 500,000 to 2 million views, and YouTube is paying anywhere from $2 to $8 per 1,000 views for this content. Here's the exact process. First, you write a simple story concept. Could be a 60-second horror story, a motivational tale, or even a sci-fi short. Then you break it down into 8 to 10 scenes. You generate each scene in Seedance 2.0, making sure to use consistent character prompts. The key here is using the same character description across all your generations. Then you stitch everything together in CapCut or any free editing software. Add voiceover using 11 Labs or your own voice, throw in some background music, and boom, you've got a complete AI movie. But here's where most people mess up. They post once and give up. The channels making real money are posting 3 to 4 times per week, building an audience and letting the algorithm work its magic. If you can get to 100,000 views per video and you're posting 3 times a week, that's roughly $600 to $1,200 per month just from ad revenue. And that's the beginner level. The beauty of this method is that it's completely passive once you build momentum. Your videos keep earning money months after you upload them, but that's just the start. Let's move to method 2. Method 2 is running AI clip accounts on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Now, this is different from YouTube because you're not making full movies. You're creating 15 to 30-second viral clips that hook people instantly. Think dramatic scenes, plot twists, cliffhangers, the kind of content that makes people stop scrolling. Here's why this works. TikTok's Creator Fund and Instagram's bonus programs are paying creators, but the real money isn't from the platforms. It's from brand deals and affiliate marketing. Once you hit 50,000 to 100,000 followers with consistent AI content, brands will start reaching out. We're talking $200 to $500 per sponsored post, and here's the secret sauce. You can also promote AI tools, courses, or products through affiliate links in your bio. Some creators are making $2,000 to $5,000 per month just from affiliate commissions. The workflow is simple. Generate eye-catching scenes in Seedance, add trending audio, post 2 to 3 times daily, and engage with comments. Consistency is everything here. One strategy that's working incredibly well right now is creating serialized content. Think of it like a TV show where each clip ends on a cliffhanger, making people come back to your profile to see what happens next. This builds followers fast because people don't want to miss the next episode. Now, if you want to dive deeper into building a profitable AI content business on social media, I recommend you to join a Skool community. You'll get access to proven strategies, templates, and a community of creators who are already making money with AI videos. The link is in the description below. Now, methods 1 and 2 are great for beginners. But if you want to level up, method 3 is where things get interesting. Method 3 is offering AI video services to businesses, and this is where the money gets serious. Small businesses, real estate agents, coaches, and e-commerce brands need video content constantly, but professional video production costs thousands of dollars. You can offer them AI-generated promotional videos, product showcases, or social media content for $200 to $800 per project. Here's what this looks like. A real estate agent needs a cinematic property tour intro. You generate a luxury lifestyle scene in Seedance, add their branding, and deliver it in 24 hours. Or a fitness coach needs motivational content for Instagram. You create 10 high-energy AI clips they can use throughout the month. The best part, your cost is basically zero, just your time and the Seedance subscription. If you land just 5 clients per month at $400 each, that's $2,000 in monthly revenue. And this is scalable. Some freelancers are doing $5,000 to $10,000 per month once they build a client base. To get started, create a portfolio of 5 to 10 sample videos, post them on Twitter and LinkedIn, and reach out to businesses in your niche. Here's a pro tip that most people miss: don't just cold pitch. Instead, create a sample video specifically for a business you want to work with. Show them exactly what you can do for them. This approach has a conversion rate that's 10 times higher than a generic pitch. You can also list your services on Fiverr or Upwork to get your first few clients while you're building your outreach strategy. But we're not done yet. Method 4 is for the creators who want to build something bigger. Method 4 is creating and selling digital products. Once you've mastered Seedance, you can package your knowledge into products that generate passive income. Option 1 is selling prompt templates and workflow guides. People will pay $10 to $50 for a pack of proven prompts that generate specific styles. Cyberpunk, anime, horror, whatever. You can sell these on Gumroad, Etsy, or even through your own social media. Option 2 is creating a mini course teaching others how to use Seedance for a specific purpose. Maybe how to create AI horror films or AI videos for business owners. You can sell these on Gumroad, Teachable, or even as a Twitter digital product for $29 to $99. If you sell just 20 copies per month at $49, that's $980 in passive income. And the beautiful thing, you create it once, sell it forever. The key to success with digital products is solving a very specific problem. Don't try to teach everything about Seedance. Instead, focus on one outcome: how to create consistent characters or how to generate cinematic camera movements. The more specific, the easier it is to sell. Another angle that's working well is creating style-specific packs. For example, a cyberpunk Seedance prompt pack or fantasy world-building templates. These are easy to create once you've experimented with the tool, and they sell consistently because people want shortcuts to great results. Now, I promised you the method with the highest profit margin that almost nobody is talking about. Here it is. Method 5 is building a comprehensive course or paid community around Seedance 2.0. Here's why this is the ultimate play. Seedance is brand new. There are thousands of people searching for tutorials, workflows, and guidance right now. The market is hungry. If you position yourself as the expert by consistently posting content, sharing results, and building an audience, you can launch a premium course for $197 to $497. You only need 50 students to make $10,000 to $25,000. And because you're teaching a skill that can make people money, they're willing to invest. Or you can create a monthly membership community for $29 to $49 per month where you share new prompts, workflows, and strategies. Get 100 members, and that's $2,900 to $4,900 in recurring monthly revenue. The creators who did this early with Midjourney and ChatGPT are now making 6 figures. Seedance is your opportunity to do the same. The secret to making this work is providing continuous value. Don't just create a course and disappear. Show up weekly with new content, answer questions, and build a real community. That's what keeps people subscribed month after month. You can start building your audience right now by posting free tutorials and tips on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter. Document your journey, share your wins and failures, and position yourself as someone who's actively using the tool to make money. Once you have 1,000 to 5,000 engaged followers, you can launch your paid offering. The key is to have already provided so much free value that your paid product feels like a no-brainer. So there you have it. 5 real ways to make money with Seedance 2.0. 1. AI movies for YouTube ad revenue. 2. Viral clip accounts with brand deals and affiliates. 3. Offering video services to businesses. 4. Selling digital products and templates. 5. Building a course or community. The beginner-friendly path, start with method 1 or 2. The fastest path to $2,000 to $5,000 per month, method 3. The highest long-term potential, method 5. Now, I mentioned I'd reveal the one mistake that kills most people's success with AI tools. It's this: they consume content but never take action. Don't let that be you. The opportunity with Seedance is real, but it won't last forever. As more people discover this tool, the competition will increase. The creators who start now and build their audience, their client base, or their product catalog will be the ones who win. If you want a complete roadmap for building a profitable AI video business, including the exact workflows, prompts, and strategies I use, join my Skool community. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guides, templates you can copy, and a community of creators who are already making money with AI videos. The link is in the description below. And if this video helped you see the potential of Seedance, do me a favor and drop a comment with which method you're going to try first. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video.